This is why Ooty Botanical Garden is a must visit. Glasshouse, heritage trees, and peaceful walks all in one place. So here's the entry. There is a 100 rupee ticket fee, and the road to enter is like this. This is Government Botanical Garden, Ooty. They have a bunch of gardens here. They have some cannon type of thing here. They have provided some details about this place, geographical details, rainfall, etc. There is some Japanese garden here. It says Japanese garden, but I don't see too many flowers. I will take the other road and see what they have there. The garden starts somewhere here, and there are a lot of flowers of different colors. It's around 9 o'clock and there is not too much rush. We'll get into all these areas in a while. So we continue. This seems to be the main garden. It's about 15 degrees Celsius now. There's a huge range of flowers. They don't have any names written, but it is looking quite nice. Looks like it is kind of ending here. There is some kind of glass house here. We'll come back to it. This is how the area looks like. There is a glass house here. And here the entrance looks like for this area. There are flowers outside of this glass house as well. While people are taking photos, let me see if I can go around and see what's interesting here. So this is just a way to the washrooms. So there is a glass house here. And this is how it looks like inside. They have a lot of flowers here. They have put some signage for the names. And that's about the glass house. This is the entrance to Japanese garden. Not sure what is the specialty here. There is a little bit of a tricky bridge here. And flowers starting from here. There's another little bridge. We'll come to that in a second. There is some sitting place and more flowers and plants. So let me go inside this area. So there is some little stream, more of stagnant water, and once I cross, this is how it looks like. Just an area in the garden, and they have put some signs here. Not signs, something using flowers. I love Ooty. And here is my way out. Next to the Japanese garden is some kind of pond and some simulated waterfall. There is another section of this area. This is the road to that area. We saw this church, and this church is called a Heritage Building. Again, some nice work of the garden. There's some grassland here, and they have written the name Government Botanical Garden. This looks more like a golf course. They have something called Toda's model hut. Todas are the tribals in this area. I'm not sure if it's open. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.